Welcome to Best 5 Products. The Best Men's Shampoo Gift Set is probably one of the most thoughtful and practical gifts you can give to the man in your life, whether it's for a birthday, anniversary, or just because. These curated sets often include high-quality shampoos, conditioners, and sometimes even styling products, all designed to cater to different hair types and concerns, ensuring a luxurious and effective hair care experience that goes beyond the ordinary. Number 5. Everyman Jack Men's Body Wash Variety Pack. Experience a trio of invigorating scents designed for men. This variety pack offers a unique fragrance for every mood and occasion. Crafted with natural ingredients, our body washes provide a deep clean without harsh chemicals. Feel refreshed and revitalized after every shower. Indulge in the warm, woody notes of amber and sandalwood. This classic combination offers a sophisticated and comforting aroma. Embrace the earthy and aromatic blend of cedarwood and red sage. It's a grounding scent that awakens the senses. Dive into the crisp, refreshing scent of sea minerals and citron. This invigorating fragrance is perfect for a revitalizing start to your day. With 3 distinct fragrances, this pack has something for everyone. Elevate your daily routine with these exceptional body washes. What we like. This set offers a fantastic variety of scents and natural ingredients. If you enjoy trying different fragrances or want a body wash that's gentle on your skin, this is a great choice. It's perfect for those who like to switch up their shower routine. What people say. The shampoo and conditioner are great for my hair, leaving it soft and manageable. The packaging is very nice, making it a perfect gift. I love the scent of the products, it's refreshing and not overpowering. Number 4. Everyman Jack 2-in-1 Shampoo Plus Conditioner. Discover the ultimate grooming solution designed specifically for men. This product offers a powerful yet gentle cleansing experience. Experience the captivating scent of amber and sandalwood. It leaves your hair smelling fresh and invigorating all day long. Formulated to nourish and benefit every hair type. It works effectively to keep your hair healthy and vibrant. We believe in the power of nature, which is why our formula is naturally derived. Plus, it's always cruelty-free, so you can feel good about your choice. This 2-in-1 solution effectively cleanses your hair while providing essential moisture. Achieve a clean and hydrated feel with every wash. Get more of what you love with our generous 24-ounce bottle. It's the perfect size to keep you stocked up for longer. What we like. Simplify your shower with this all-in-one shampoo and conditioner. It's designed to nourish all hair types, making it ideal for anyone seeking a straightforward, effective hair care solution. If you have busy mornings or prefer a minimalist routine, this product is for you. What people say. The shampoo set is a great gift idea for men. It comes with a variety of products that are perfect for everyday use. The packaging is also very attractive and makes for a nice presentation. Number 3. Viking Revolution Tea Tree Shampoo and Conditioner Set. Discover the power of natural ingredients with our new shampoo and conditioner set. It's designed to bring relief and hydration to your scalp. Say goodbye to dryness and itchiness. This formula is crafted to gently soothe and moisturize, leaving your scalp feeling comfortable. Experience deep hydration that lasts. Our blend works to lock in moisture, promoting a healthier scalp environment. Harnessing the natural benefits of tea tree oil, this set offers a refreshing and therapeutic cleansing experience. Enjoy the benefits for longer with our large 17-ounce bottles. It's a great value for maintaining scalp health. Transform your hair care routine. This set not only cleanses but also revitalizes both your scalp and hair for a fresh feel. What we like. Experience relief for dry and itchy scalps with this tea tree oil infused set. It's perfect for those who struggle with scalp irritation or dryness and are looking for a natural, soothing solution. If you prioritize scalp health alongside hair hydration, this is the one to consider. What people say. The shampoo left my hair feeling incredibly clean and refreshed. The scent of the shampoo is subtle and masculine, not overpowering at all. It lathers up really well, so a little goes a long way. Number 2. Viking Revolution Sandalwood Shampoo and Conditioner Set. Introducing the Viking Revolution Sandalwood Shampoo and Conditioner Set. Elevate your hair care routine with this premium blend. Enriched with biotin and jojoba oil, it nourishes your hair from root to tip. Discover the power of natural ingredients for healthier-looking locks. Specifically formulated for men, this set provides a deep cleanse and conditioning experience. Achieve revitalized and manageable hair with every wash. It contains vitamin B5 to further enhance hair strength and shine. Enjoy a refreshing scent and a superior clean that lasts. Each bottle comes in a generous 17-ounce size, ensuring you have plenty of product for consistent use. Experience the difference today. This shampoo and conditioner duo is designed to work together for optimal results. Treat your hair to the best in natural care. What we like. This set is enriched with biotin and jojoba oil to strengthen your hair. If you're looking to improve hair resilience and enjoy a sophisticated sandalwood fragrance, this is an excellent option. It's best suited for men who want to enhance hair health and enjoy a premium scent. What people say. The shampoo is great for my hair and leaves it feeling clean and refreshed. The scent of the shampoo is amazing, not too strong but pleasant. This gift set is perfect for travel, the bottles are a good size and don't leak. Number 1. The Beard Club Premium Beard Kit. Introducing the ultimate grooming experience for the modern man. This comprehensive kit is designed to help you achieve and maintain a healthy, stylish beard. Crafted with premium cedar and sandalwood oil and balm, it nourishes your beard from root to tip. Experience the rich, masculine scent that leaves a lasting impression. This kit includes everything you need: a gentle shampoo, a versatile brush and comb, precision trimming scissors, and a classic straight-edge razor. Keep your beard perfectly shaped and impeccably groomed. Achieve salon-quality results in the comfort of your own home. It simplifies your daily routine, ensuring your beard always looks its best with minimal effort. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This premium beard kit is an ideal present for any man who takes pride in his appearance. Give the gift of a perfect beard. What we like. This is the ultimate all-in-one grooming solution for men, especially those with beards. If you're looking for a comprehensive kit that covers beard care, hair washing, and styling, this gift set is unparalleled. It's the perfect choice for someone who wants to maintain a polished look from head to beard. What people say. The shampoo is great for my hair. This gift set is perfect for any man. The packaging is very nice and makes a great gift. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.